My name is Scott Masciantoni, a professional surveyor based in the Northeast United States with over 30 years experience in land surveying, construction, and associated technologies. I represent StoneX in many capacities, being sales of the full product line, installation, training, and support, with my primary focus being with their special project solutions and machine automation. StoneX Special Projects, a division of StoneX, are solutions designed to facilitate the automation of construction machines and work process in many different segments, being solar, marine, agriculture, to name a few. When we look at the expertise from a dedicated team of engineers and geomatics professionals, the absolute positioning using advanced hardware where trust is critical, and the ease of use with a simple software interface specifically designed for the purpose at hand, the Special Projects team brings solutions to construction production dilemmas in a compact, efficient, easy to use, and competitively priced package. StoneX Suite, a software platform, and being the connection from an advanced sensor array, including GNSS, providing complex geospatial positioning, is simple to configure and requires limited to no input from the operator. The graphical user interface is far from the conventional software machine control applications that the world has been exposed to, many requiring expertise in many aspects of technology such as lasers, robotics, GPS, and radio telemetry, and software with much user interaction. Press this button, calibrate this sensor, select point or feature to be constructed, store the results, and generate reports. STX Suite does not require any of this. Simply turn on the machine and navigate to the next location, and literally no user interaction. Where simplicity and no requirements for a specialist, along with automation and ultimately trust in the solution at an affordable price point, StoneX has penetrated a market long held by others. StoneX Suite and its array of sensors provide absolute positioning in critical environments with demanding tolerances, where construction data can be easily designed via the interface by keying in parameters or by importing engineered projects. STX Suite places the machine and the post on target precisely in the X and Y and drives posts to precise heights to meet even the most stringent tolerances for systems such as tracking solar arrays. This is all handled in a semi-automatic or automatic capacity, again with very limited input or knowledge from the operator. StoneX Suite's use is transparent to the operator. That said, it is assumed that someone will have to install, manage, and maintain these systems. With a wealth of installation and configuration documents available from the Special Projects team, this is typically a simple task. Utilizing specialized components for the precise positioning, being optimized for immunity to vibration, harmonics, varying site conditions such as water and dust. All components are robust and integrate with the machine onboard CAN bus and allow for automatic hydraulic positioning of the tool, tower, or hammer in this instance. GPS is used for geospatial positioning, location, and machine alignment, mounted higher on the machine to provide for reliable GNSS reception. Slope or pitch and roll sensors provide for precise leveling and plumbing of the tower or tool. It's mounted low on the machine to prevent exaggerated inertial effects. Height encoders provide for absolute real-time precise height control. And these wire encoders provide absolute height control regardless of site conditions, being rain, mud, dust, etc. All sensors are invisible to the operator, and a simple two-button interface provides complete control. Current solutions provide for complete control of the CAN bus communications to the EOH, or electric over hydraulic valves, providing automatic machine positioning in all axes. Project management and project reporting, as we're all aware, is critical to acceptance of any technology. With limited staff, advanced and ever-changing designs, aggressive budgets and schedules, it's almost mandatory to have simplified access and reporting. With internet access available via the tablet, via SIM card or Wi-Fi, access to the machines remotely is as expected. When training and support are required remotely, simply utilizing the onboard networking features of the tablet allow for near real-time access from anywhere. Again, the wireless networking interface allows for a simple connection using a Wi-Fi hotspot or a more permanent solution being an installed SIM card of a local cellular provider. StoneX Suite solves many of the issues that plague fast-track, time, and budget-sensitive projects. Just referencing the total number of posts is intimidating. A solar project has tens or hundreds of thousands of posts, and using conventional layout techniques by field surveyors or engineers would take an extraordinary budget and an extraordinary amount of time. And depending on the structure of the operation, a third-party surveyor can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 a day with 200 or 300 points of layout per day. The calculation is simple. And this does not take into consideration setup, restaking, etc. Let's use an example of 50,000 posts divided by 250 per day. It's roughly 200 days of layout equal to roughly $250,000. With this example, the value returned from the technology investment is typical and possibly the difference of winning a project or turning a profit. We also recognize the as-built and documentation phase of a project where more personnel resources are required and another level of knowledge. This as-built documentation phase is now done automatically when the construction of the pile or post in this scenario is finished driving. The reporting is delivered in a simple comma-delimited file where no special software is needed and only programs such as a spreadsheet editor.